In AI, you'll keep hearing one word over and over: tokens. Here's the truth: you don't need to understand tokens to use Claude well, but not knowing what it means can make you feel like you're missing something important. So before we go further, let's clear it up simply. By the end of this video, you'll know why Claude sometimes forgets things in a long chat and what tokens actually look like with real examples. Claude doesn't read words the way we do. It breaks every piece of text into small chunks called tokens. Think of tokens like Lego bricks. Words are built from these bricks. Short, common words are usually just one brick. Longer or rare words get split into several bricks. Here's one more thing worth knowing. Claude doesn't actually see the bricks as text. Each brick gets turned into a number. A computer only understands numbers, not letters. So cat isn't stored as the letters CAT. It's stored as a number, like 4521. Claude reads a long list of these numbers, and that's how it understands your message. Let's look at actual examples so this isn't just theory. The sentence "I love pizza" breaks into three tokens. I love pizza. Notice the space before a word is usually part of that word's token, not its own separate piece. The word unbelievable breaks into three tokens: un, believe, able. Numbers and non-English words often use more tokens than you'd expect. A date like 2026 or a word in Arabic or French can cost more tokens than a similar length English word. So the same idea. How much text is this? Is not measured in words, it's measured in tokens, and the two don't always match. Every conversation with Claude has a limit, a maximum number of tokens it can hold at once. When a conversation gets very long, older parts of it can get pushed out, or Claude can lose track of them. This is why Claude sometimes forgets something you said 20 messages ago. Two things you can do about it. One, start a new chat when you start a new topic. Don't keep stretching one giant conversation. Two, a huge uploaded document uses up a lot of tokens right away, so keep uploads focused. Tokens are small pieces of text that Claude reads and writes, not exact words, and long chats can hit tokens limits. That's why Claude may forget earlier details. The fix: fresh chat for new topics, focused uploads, and projects for ongoing work. Now you know exactly what's happening behind the scenes every time you chat with Claude.